Oh, it's a
Can you say something in English or German or Swedish or Portuguese or?
No.
Where are you going
I don't
to?
speak Portuguese.
No,
sorry.
where are you going tomorrow?
I don't know yet. I have to
Still
talk.
not.
To Norway. You can go to Norway.
Yes.
Yeah.
Norway's nice.
Norway.
Yeah, go to Bergen.
Yes.
Take the train from Oslo to Bergen.
It only takes me
Which
2
is
days.
3 days
Yeah.
to go to Stockholm.
Stockholm is the best city ever.
What about Örebro?
It's pretty, but it's small.
Very
It's
small.
okay.
No red houses.
Those
in the city.
nolotas, you know, they're hard to deal with. Yeah.
So,
It's okay. I love it.
finally you are used to be shooting girl.
Ah.
Like a top model here.
No, no, no.
I don't feel very comfortable. Oh, look at this. No, my family's up there. We'll have...
Oh, they're waiting for you.
Wow.
It's so nice. We can
It's
see the
always-
clouds.
It's always like that when
the small.
Oh, my cell phone. Ja. Ja, det gör vi nog också. Gör inte ni det?
Okay. Thank you for the day. It
Yeah,
was really nice. I loved the place here.
great.
Yes.
Welcome back.
Yeah. Thank you.
Willkommen zurück.
Ja. Willkommen zu